Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. How to solve for s in this beautiful equation 5 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 16. Can you solve this? If you have a better method, kindly put it in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation 5 raised to power s minus 5 raised to power s minus 1 is equal to 16. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then if you have a raised to power minus 1, this is equal to 1 over a. Now this can be written as 5 raised to power s minus, this is 5 raised to power s multiplied by 5 raised to power minus 1 is equal to 16. Then you can see that 5 raised to power s is common here. Let's bring it out. We have 5 raised to power s bracket. If you divide this 5 raised to power s by this 5 raised to power x, we have 1 minus. If you divide the whole of this by 5 raised to power s, we have 5 raised to power minus 1 is equal to 16. Now this is 5 raised to power s bracket 1 minus, this can be written as 1 over 5 is equal to 16. So the LCM here is 5. We have 5 raised to power s bracket, this is 1 over 1 minus 1 over 5 is equal to 16. And this is the same thing as 5 raised to power s bracket 1 in 5. 5 times 1, that is 5, minus 5 in 5, 1 times 1, that is 1 over 5 must be equal to, is equal to 16. So we have 5 raised to power s bracket 5 minus 1, that is 4 over 5 is equal to 16. Then we have 5 raised to power s multiplied by 4 is equal to, if you cross multiply, we have 5 multiplied by 16. Let us divide the whole of this equation by 4. Then we have 5 raised to power s multiplied by 4 over 4 is equal to 5 multiplied by 16 over 4. And of course, we know that 16 is equal to 4 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 4 square. So 4 here 1, 4 here 4. Then 4 here 1, 4 here 1. 5 raised to power x is equal to 5 multiplied by 4. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 5 raised to power s is equal to log 5 multiplied by 4. Take note of this, that if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then we have s log 5 is equal to log 5 plus log 4. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by log 5. This divided by log 5. And this divided by log 5. This log 5 cancels this log 5. Now if you split this, we have s is equal to log 5 over log 5 plus log 4 over log 5. This log 5 here 1 and log 5 here 1. S is equal to 1 plus log 4 over log 5. This is the same thing as 1 plus log 4 can be written as log 2 square over log 5. X is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 over log 5, and if log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5, and this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 5 raised to power s minus 5 raised to power s minus 1 is equal to 16. If s is 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5, we have 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 minus 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 minus 1 must be equal to 16. This minus 1 cancel this plus 1. Then this can be written as 5 raised to power 1 plus log 4 base 5 minus the whole of this can be written as 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 must be equal to 16. Now this is 5 raised to power 1 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 minus 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 must be equal to 16. 5 raised to power 1 is 5 multiplied by the whole of this is, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. So this is 4 minus the whole of this is 4 must be equal to 16. 5 times 4, this is 20 minus 4 must be equal to 16. 20 minus 4, this is 16, is equal to 16, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.